Hi YouTubers, I show you a problem with PlayStation 3. Right, there's a red light of death. I'll show you now. It's dead. Right, what I'm going to do is, I did take a disc out, and easy way to do the disc is switch off on the back of PlayStation 3, and before you touch that eject button, well, I believe so, touch that eject button and switch it back on the PlayStation 3 in the back. That's what I call the fan test. You have a loud whirling noise on that, and I take a disc out, no problem. There's a way to take a disc out with PlayStation down. So what I gotta do is first, I've been looking for YouTube and PlayStation forums to say to fix the red light by using a hairdryer. Alright, and then I gotta use the fan to cool down after. I hope it's gonna work. I've seen on YouTube it looks successful. By anything I try everything, but it's broken anyway, so I hope it's gonna fix. Right. Right, I cover the towel, just gotta heat up a bit more on the PlayStation 3. Then I gotta use a hairdryer. What you gotta use a hairdryer is you gotta use within 15 minutes, and that's all you gotta do. All you gotta do is use side and side, side and side. That's all I'm gonna do. Ready? Now I'm trying to use a fan. Done with 50 minutes with a hairdryer. Now I use the fan for 10 minutes for PlayStation. Right, so make sure it's oscillating off. Probably is on, no my luck. Oh no, yes. Alright, I gotta stop the oscillation. Running for 10 minutes. 10 minutes with that fan. I'm going to use number 3. So the time, say about 2 o'clock, to cool it down first. And hopefully we're showing a result. If it's that working, but I don't know yet, but we'll see. We shall see, we never see. Right, the telly is on. PlayStation on standby. It's all ready down for the Prestige. Then, finger crossed, I hope it's working. If it's down, oh well, never mind, it's already broken. But at least I had a good thoughts, and follow your YouTubers, and follow your forums on the internet. but hopefully it works. It will save £150. Right. Fingers crossed. Damn, I'm bloody nervous. Ready? Ready? No. All that work. Okay. So all for that, it don't work. Okay. Alright. I'll probably phone Sony's after and see what they suggest. I'll see what they say. But all that working out, fixing out with this, I think this is a myth. It still doesn't work. Nice try. Okay, bye. But one of the thing is, if I had a comment or anything, please do. More welcome. Thank you. Bye.